So hi, welcome back to Graphixslice channel. Today we are going to discuss the continuation part of floor plan. So as we discussed earlier, so we prepared wall by using AutoCAD file, prepared plan, and we placed doors and windows. Now we are going to place a components. So how to place a components? Before going to place a component, so we'll see how to place a floor. So go to the floor. So we are in ground level. Go to floor. So pick a floor option. So we can place floor individually, means for entire building we can place one floor, or else we can place individually for each room. It's benefit when we place room individually. We can easily edit it and we can easily assign a material also. Just go and draw it, click finish. 2 floors for 2 bedrooms. Again I'm going to prepare for remaining area. So for living area and kitchen I'm going to draw now. So you can use rectangle also, or else you can use line. Any draw tools we can use to prepare, but it must be a closer profile. So you can move it. So in door portion, so door thickness is less, right? That's why I'm going to take a floor up to the door edge. Just continuously draw like this. So interior parts we can draw later, like lift portion or else bathroom portions and all we can draw later. So first I finished 2 bedrooms. Now I'm going to prepare complete living area including dining and kitchen. So after that we will draw puja room floor area and storeroom area and other bathrooms area. Okay, so I will finish here. One extra line will be there. Go to trim. Just click these two. Automatically it will trim. Finish. So floor is done. So next individually I'm going to draw floor for puja room. Again same edit method. Just draw like this. Otherwise empty space will be shows. Then use split element to break this extra line. Escape, then select and delete this. Finish. Same way storeroom also. Same edit method here also. So I'm going to extend up to the adjacent floor. Otherwise it will show empty. Cut this. Delete this portion. Finish. So like this we can prepare floors. So go to the 3D view. In 3D view, see here. It shows like this. I'm going to hide a plan. So after hiding the plan, go to the top view. So in 3D view, you can change the material of the floor also. So by using edit tab, go to the material library. In appearance, here use replace asset. In asset browser, you can change the material. So here thumbnail. In this, here we can apply different types of material, roof, plastic, different types of materials will be available. Go to the floor. So in that choose any one. So in flooring material we have different types: wooden flooring, granites, marbles. So you can change images also after applying the materials. Glazziness, everything we can change. So next we can add a reflectivity also. So after adjustments click OK, apply. See, it shows like this. I added floor materials for bedrooms and other things. So now I'm going to load component. So go to the library. So in that I'm going to add a table. So add a table and you can change the table dimensions or else sizes. Just pick it and go to the edit. There you can change the sizes. Next, sofas. So again go to component. So in library, furnitures, in that beds, seats. So I'm picking a sofa. So you can change the material. So leather black is available here. I'm going to change the color of the leather. So in the library, choose particular material like fabric. So in fabric, here we have a types. So any light colors I'm going to select. So brown, light brown I'm going to pick. So you can change the scale also. Okay. So place here. So two-seater sofa I'm going to place here and here also. So you can download extra components. So currently I have only two-seater sofa. By defaultly I'm going to place that one only. Next, place a storage. So use table, glass table. I'm going to place steel and glass metal is available. You can change the material also. Space bar to rotate it. Just click. Next, I'm going to place kitchen component. Same component, edit type, load. So in that, take a table. Okay. So it's in square format. So I'm going to edit size. So just pick it. Go to the edit type. In that you can change the dimensions. It's 4 by 4, so I'm going to make it 2 by 4. Height is 3. Spacebar, automatically it will rotate. So use arrow keys to adjust the component. Next we'll move to kitchen equipment, cabinets. So in kitchen cabinets, just go to the back. So it's in specialty equipments. So go to the specialty equipments. In that, domestic. Here you'll get a kitchen cabinets. So these are the special high-end and mid-range tools will be available. So by using this one only, kitchen medium option is there. Just click OK and place it. So use space bar to place a component like this. So I'm going to place here. Okay. So after that, you can place a beds for bedrooms. So it's also available in furnitures itself. So in that furnitures, beds, different types of beds available. So king, queen, double bedded, like that. So here you can change the length and width. So 4.5 by 6.3. So place like this. I'm going to place here 2 bedrooms. Okay, 2 beds. Compound rotation, space bar to rotate the component. Okay, now it's fine. So other components will be like this only. We can place, and I want to place anyone. You can place any cabinets also if needed. TV also you can place. So as of in living room, you can place a TV also. And then sanitary fixtures or as plumbing fixtures you can place. Go to plumbing in architectural fixtures. In that bathtubs, water closets available. So I'm going to take a one commode. So just take it, and it's in default location is in 0. Click OK and place it on a toilets. So like this, simply we can place the components. So these are in default libraries. Extra tools if you want. So I will show you how to download the components and how to place the components in my next video. See how it shows. So like this we can place the components. See how it looks. It's in orthographic view. Currently we are observing the object is in orthographic view. So if you want to view the objects in perspective view, you need to place a camera. So how to place a camera? So go to the view, go to the 3D view. So below we have a camera option. Take a camera and draw it. Automatically this is the camera view. Here we'll get a perspective view. So in this perspective view we can rotate or else operate by using shift and orbit. So nothing but a shift and center middle mouse button to orbit the screen. So here in a view type, switch to realistic. It look like this. Hide the plan. This is default 3D view. This is in orthographic. So this is camera view, perspective view. See how it looks. So it looks realistic. This is orthographic. So this is perspective view. So like this we can get a perspective view. We can give a floor plans like this for our presentations, or else if you want to give any presentation for clients, so use this floor plan representations. You can take a image format output of this image, this particular 3D view. See, so this is a session about floor plan. So how to prepare a floor plan by using DWG file, and how to prepare a walls, doors, windows and components with floor tool I explained. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit like. Thank you very much.